back to my channel. It's Leanne and welcome to my 100 daily vlog challenge. I'm on my 5th day, and for today's video we are going to be making a keto meal, and I call it cheesy tortang talong with malunggay. And I'm so excited to share this with you kasi I really love making keto meals. I always make or cook keto meals, and I'm so happy to add this on my channel. And when making keto meal at home, you should consider these 5 things. Number 1, it should be something that is affordable kasi syempre sa bahay mo lang gagawin, so it should be affordable. And then number 2, it should be easy to prepare, hindi ka mahahassle on preparing it. And number 3, it should be easy to cook. And number 4, it's tasty. And of course, the most important thing is that it should be healthy. So without further ado, let's just get started. We have our 2 pieces of eggplants or talong, and then we have our crab stick. You can use any meat. You can use chicken, pork, or any leftover meat. So right now, this is what I only have inside the fridge, kaya ito yung ginamit ko. And then I have here 2 large eggs. I have here the oil, around 60 to 80 grams, pero we'll see if we'll be able to use this all. So ito na lang yung nilagay ko para at least meron tayong reserve. And then we have like around 80 grams of cheese or shredded cheese. This is cheddar cheese, and kahit anong cheese will do. And then we have our malunggay flakes. Yan, I've been using malunggay. Yan, itatry mo lang siya, tapos ayan, i-blend mo, ganyan. So, sobrang dami na niya mapagagamitan. And then, of course, our salt and pepper. We have here 1 piece ng kamatis or tomato, and then we have here garlic powder, and that's it! So, mag-chop na tayo. By the way, I wasn't able to cut or get onion kasi naubusan na ako. So, ito lang yung mga available ko inside the fridge. Kaya, ito na yung gagamitin natin. Start na tayo, mag-chop na tayo. So, ayan, ang ginawa ko, first thing is nagsalang na ako ng water. Siguro around 4 to 5 cups of water. And then, ilalagay natin ang ating talong here. Ayan, i-boil natin siya. Ayan. So, why did I decide na i-boil siya instead yung normal na or yung traditional na parang iihawin natin siya? I decided to do this kasi para sa akin, mas save yung meat niya sa loob or yung laman ng eggplant. Kaya ito yung ginawa ko. Pero you can also try yung traditional na ginagawa natin, which is yung talagang tinutorta natin o yung nilalagay natin sa apoy, yung talong hanggang sa, or parang ginigrill natin hanggang sa matanggal yung balat or parang masunog yung balat tapos ma-remove siya. So this is my way para mas marami ako makuhang laman sa loob. So either or, okay pong itry yun. So ayan guys, right now, i-boil na natin or binoboil ko na yung ating eggplant. Then now, we are preparing for our crab stick. So china-chop ko na siya, and then chop na natin yung mga kailangan natin i-chop. Ayan. Then chop natin si ating tomatoes. Yung mga buto na yan, tatanggalin ko yan. Pero chinachop ko muna siya lahat. And then saka ko siya babanlawan para matanggal ko madali yung mga buto. So there. Okay, so how to know if okay na siya? Use a tinidor or a fork. And then susukin natin siya. So dapat natatanggal na yung balat using the tinidor or fork. Ayan. So okay na to. Okay, so sarin na natin siya. First, natanggalin natin yung balat. So as you can see, mas madali siyang tanggalin. Of course, malamig na siya. So mas marami kang masisave na laman ng eggplant. So yeah, that's why I like it more na i-boil than to grill. Ayan. So, nabalatan na natin siya. Let's go. Start to saute our tomato and this one. Of course, wala tayong onion ngayon. Kaya, lalagyan na lang natin siya ng garlic powder. We have here our oil. Kunti lang na oil. Unahin natin yung tomato. Then yung ating crabstick. Tapos konting garlic powder. That's garlic powder. Kapag daw, kapag the more na niluluto mo yung tomatoes, the more na lumalabas yung ano niya, yung mga content niya, yung vitamins, yung kung ano-ano mang healthy ingredients or healthy contents na meron siya. Kaya, mas gusto ko talagang niluluto yung ano, or mas parang pinapalambot yung kananas. Ano hindi ko talaga sa mga. Let's just set this aside. Let's prepare for our egg. 1 egg. And then, our second large egg. Sobrang large niya talaga. So, ayan. Salt and pepper. Ito lang natin. Here's another tip. You can also add kahit half teaspoon of flour. Yan, dito sa ating egg. Konti-konti lang naman. Why am I adding this? Para mas makapit yung egg kasi medyo itutorta natin siya. Para mas madali siyang mabuo. Hindi siya agad nasusunog. I don't know, I've been using this technique. So, basta natin. Ilagay natin dito yung ating talong. Ayan. Let him swim there. Puno natin yung ating tinidor para kumapit po yung lasa. So, next po ay yung apoy. And then we'll add oil. Matulungan tayo nitong malagay ng mais. Pag mainit na siya, hinaan lang natin yung apoy. And then we'll add our ayan. Para mailatag natin siya ng maayos. And then, natin lalagay yung ating natirang egg. Tapos nagtira ko ng kalahati para pagbaliktad ko mamaya, lalagay ko to sa ibabaw. For now, lagyan na natin yung ating malunggay. Malunggay flakes. And we'll add some of our crab meat or cheese, crab sticks and tomatoes. And we'll add cheese. Okay, so we're gonna flip it, of course. Syempre, medyo, ayan. We're just gonna flip it. There. to add more of this. Next, we'll add our malunggay once again. Ayan, syempre dapat green na green para talagang healthy, di ba? From you, that someday it can lead back to you. Cover, so I'll just cover it. Wala akong proper na covering, so eto, gagamit ako ng isang pan to cover it. Ayan. Para mga 3 to 5 minutes. Ayan, so luto na siya. And sasali na natin siya. Kaya nag-melt na yung ating cheese kasi tinakpan natin siya kaya nag-melt. So hindi ko na siya finlip para hindi masira yung shape niya. Okay, so it's done. Our cheesy tortang talong with malunggay.